Windows used to be the undisputed king of operating systems. But today, millions of users, gamers, and developers are actively wiping Windows 11 off their drives and switching to Linux. Why is Microsoft driving its most loyal users away? And is Linux actually ready to replace Windows for the average person? Let's find out. The biggest reason people are leaving? Windows 11 doesn't feel like your operating system anymore. It feels like a massive billboard for Microsoft. From forced advertisements in the start menu to pre-installed bloatware you never asked for, Windows 11 has become heavy, intrusive, and slow. Linux, on the other hand, comes with absolutely zero ads, zero bloatware, and gives you total control over your own hardware. Then there's the privacy nightmare. Microsoft has been aggressively pushing AI features like Recall, which literally takes screenshots of everything you do on your screen. For millions of users, this was the final straw. Windows tracks your data, telemetry, and browsing habits. Meanwhile, Linux is open source, privacy-focused, and doesn't spy on your daily life. But wait, what about gaming? Historically, Linux was terrible for gamers. But thanks to Valve and the Steam Deck, everything has changed. With Proton, almost every major Windows game now runs flawlessly on Linux. Sometimes even with better performance and higher FPS than Windows 11. Gamers no longer have a reason to stay chained to Microsoft. With modern versions of Linux like Linux Mint or Ubuntu looking identical to Windows and being completely free, making the jump has never been easier. If you are tired of forced updates, constant tracking, and system lag, it might be time to back up your data and try Linux. What do you think? Is Windows 11 pushing you away too? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.